Meaning of enlightenment.
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 Enlightenment. Enlightenment is a state of deep understanding and realization, often associated with spiritual or philosophical growth. At its core, it involves shedding the illusions and limitations of the ego self to perceive the world with greater clarity and wisdom. The result of enlightenment is a profound shift in one's perspective, leading to a sense of inner peace, unconditional love, and a heightened awareness of interconnectedness with all beings. This state allows individuals to live fully in the present moment and express their innate creativity and compassion in service to others.